Canfield Connector is the leading supplier of solenoid valve connectors, electronic timers, cylinder proximity sensors, and accessories made in the USA. The company was formed in 1977 by John Rasmussen, founder and current president of the company. His work began in his garage behind an old farmhouse, and the company quickly grew. It has flourished over the last 40 years and currently boasts over 100 employees in our 40,000 square foot manufacturing facility. Canfield Connector also employs a talented team of individuals in the engineering, graphic arts, purchasing, plant management, and marketing and sales divisions. Customer demand is our passion. Through close interaction with our customers, we're able to provide customer-centered product development, committed to reliable and innovative media control products accompanied with service excellence. We're continuously improving daily to achieve the highest efficiency possible. Our core strength is our ability to react and produce a product quickly to specification that incorporates electronics coupled with fluid power. Canfield Connector manufactures a wide variety of solenoid valve connectors, field bus adapters, core grips, tie rod and groove mount cylinder proximity sensors, timers, proportional solenoid valve drivers, and conveyor controls. Our ordering guides make it easy to choose the right product to fit your application, giving you the flexibility to select the desired connector configurations, wire lengths, lighting options, and suppression types. Adjustable timing functions allow for multifunctional timing ranges and modes, triggerable inputs and outputs, and voltage control options. Our sensors are offered in read and electronic versions with many different groove dimensions and clamps to fit most space requirements. Our company is ISO certified to ensure that you get the quality you expect. Most of our products are tested during the manufacturing process and again during the final inspection, resulting in double or triple functional tests prior to shipping. With distributors all over the US, Canada, Mexico, Asia, Europe, and Australia, Canfield Connector products are readily available with minimal lead times. We pride ourselves in that we are different from other manufacturers because we can design custom products. So if you have a special project that requires something custom, call us and our design experts will be more than happy to find you a solution. It is our vision to help customers meet their goals one connector at a time.